In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train an LLM in under 5 minutes. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Google Notebook LM. I like Google Notebook because it's the easiest, simplest way to do it compared to ChatGPT and other models. You're going to click on Create New. You'll notice that it'll prompt you to automatically upload a link from YouTube, a document on your computer, Google Slides, Google Docs, etc. And now that you're in the account, you should see an untitled notebook. And what you want to do is you want to click on Add Source, or here in the middle it shows you Upload a Source if you have certain uploads. I've done this for companies and individuals depending on what the training material is, but it's relatively straightforward. All you have to do is click on this button here. Like I said earlier, you can get information from a website, YouTube videos, you can copy and paste text, integrate information from your Google account, Google Slides, etc. For this example, I uploaded a carnivore code. It's basically a document from a book that I bought about the value of eating meat, a carnivore-based diet. And so here it shows that it's summarized in the center. You'll see in the chat, you'll see that it's summarized the contents of the PDF. If you wanted to ask it anything about the information, it would pull up the information from the PDF and reference the PDF in its response. It's a pretty cool thing. Now, my favorite part about this is it turns it into like a podcast of people discussing the document, and it's not even people, it's AI talking about the document. You can also create like a study guide, frequently asked questions, a briefing doc, etc. So I'm click on study guide just so you guys can see how it works. Now it's generating a note here on the bottom right, and it might end up in the chat as well. Let me just double check. Boom, there it is. Click on the note that it generated. So here is basically a little mini quiz to make sure that you're getting the information from the document, basically asking about the different studies that was inside of the document, talking about a variety of different things that you can see on the screen there. But it's a great tool and a resource so that you can use internally. Now, my favorite part about this is that you can use it on a couple of different levels. So if you click this share button up across the top, you can share it to people inside the organization, outside the organization. Now, this is something that you'll have to email them, so right, it says notify people, but you can also make it public. You can make it a welcome note right over here. Viewer access, you can make it just a chat only so that they can see just the particular conversation, or you can give them access to the full notebook and then you just save the document for later. It's pretty awesome. So if you're not using Notebook LM to train your AI into helping you understand different things faster, definitely give it a try. If you need help, reach out to me. That's what I do for a living. So take care.